talking with it's not really comfortable to talk with this lip, but let's get into it.
I light up, ride off in sunsets, Corvettes, like I'm the plug in you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ina Pandora here, and I'm back with a new video. Today we're going to do this makeup tutorial. It's an ice queen, and it's pretty simple, so if you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. Foundation choice today is the Maybelline 24 Hour Stay, and I'm applying it with my favorite blender from Sigma. It's the 3DHD blender. I believe this is the lightest foundation color that I had in my collection, which is porcelain, but if you have a white face paint, use that instead. As my eye primer today, I'm using from Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in the shade White Out, and I'm applying it with the Sigma S20. Although this is a skincare brush, I do love it for the applying my cream products on the eyes. For my crease today, I'm using Sigma Area Loose Shimmer, and I'm just applying it all over my crease, dragging into all the way in the outer corner. For my brow bone today, I'm using holographic highlighter from NakedCosmetics. I also have a 30% discount code if you guys want to try them out. I'll list them down below. To intensify the blue, I'm using this blue from the Viber collection, new collection that Sigma just came out. Then I'm cutting the crease with the same Lock-It White Out Concealer from Kat Von D. And on top of it, I'm using this white color from the same Viper collection from Sigma. And on the outer corner, I decided to add blue sequins, and I'm going to glue it in with a NYX Glue Glitter. The sequins, I got it at the dollar store. It was in the nail art section. There's no brand on top of the packages, so I have no idea how to explain to you guys where I got it from, but I found it at the dollar store. Then at the outer corner, I am using this glitter holographic from Sigma, adding one rhinestone in the inner corner. The rhinestones I got from Amazon, and then in the inner corner, I'm adding some same from the dollar store sequins. This one is more like sprouted cuts of foil, purchased same at the dollar store in the nail art section. Since I don't have white mascara, I decided to get creative, so I used a cleaned spatula and applied that Lock-It from Kat Von D concealer on the brows for that frosted effect, and then added a little more blue eyeshadow on top of it. To make our ice queen even more icy, I decided to, as a base, to use a Lock-It concealer White Out, and on top of it, I'm adding that holographic sheen to it to give that more of an ice effect. And I colored my eyelashes the same way as I did my eyebrows, and also I colored the faked eyelashes as well because, oh well, we're on a budget and we're trying to look good. For my under eyes, I am going to mix the Born This Way and the Lock-It Concealer White Out for brightening effect. For the extra frosty effect, I decide to white out the edges of my face with the same Lock-It Concealer White Out. To make sure that our makeup is going to last for a long time, I'm setting it with the Terrebonne Blend Translucent Powder. To contour my face, I'm gonna use the blue from the Sigma Viper collection palette and this beautiful light blue as a blush. To highlight my face, I'm gonna use the same color from the NakedCosmetics holographic highlight palette.
Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash.
For the under eyes, I'm using the blue from the Viper Collection palette and coloring my lower lash with white as well. And then as a base, I'm going to paint my lips with the same Lock-It concealer in white out. You can use a face paint in white, whatever you have handy. And I'm going to top it with the same silver sequins I used on the eyes earlier. Inside my lips, I am using the same blue loose shimmer from Sigma and then adding the same blue sequins that I used on my outer corner of the eyes. And then I'm throwing some silver sequins on my cheeks sporadically for that frosty effect.
And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Join the family and let's have fun together. If you have a look in mind that you would like me to create, then leave in the comment down below and I'll try to do it to my best ability. Yep, and this is it. And I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.
Ride off in sunsets and Corvettes, like I'm the plug and you